sorry, darling. Couldn't get to my key. We've got 3 Beaujolais and 3 Chianti. Everything okay?
No, it's not. Perkins has gone to Scotland.
Oh, no.
His mother's ill.
Oh, what a time to choose.
I rang the agency and they said they'd try and send somebody else.
Today of all days. Are you from the agency?
Oh, yes.
Do come in.
Oh, thank you. Good evening, heavenly body.
I beg your pardon?
I say good evening, heavenly body.
I think he means good evening, everybody. You go on.
You're fat.
I beg your pardon?
I say you're fat. It is your fat?
Oh, my flat, yes.
He's nice, yeah. Oh, it's very nice, yes.
And who are you?
I am very well, thank you.
Your name?
My card. Crows are red.
Mr. Chow Mein, handyman. In what way are you handy?
I live round the corner.
But it doesn't mention manservant or waiter. Have you waited at table before?
Yeah, I a good waiter.
And valet? Valet!
Very good waiter, yes! I'm probably, not necessarily, but probably best waiter in Hoglake Britain. Come along here, Showers here.
Look here.
Yeah?
When our guests arrive, pick up a tray and say, would you consider some refreshment?
Consider on a what?
Have a drink.
Oh, thank you very much. That's nice, yeah. Very warming.
That's vodka.
Vodka.
No, vodka.
Oh, vodka. Oh, yeah, vodka, spelt with a W, not with a W. Yeah, got that, yeah.
Sherry?
Shelley.
No, sherry.
Shelley.
No, sherry. You're saying Shelley. Shelley.
You see, it's not difficult when you try.
The bell! The bell!
Yeah, nice, yeah.
Well, answer it.
All right, I know write you down, madam.
Oh, God.
All right, then I know write you down, God.
No! It's Mr. McGee, sir.
Certainly, Mr. McGee, sir.
No, I am madam.
Madam, yes.
I am madam.
Madam.
Now let them in and apologize for the house being so untidy. I'll be in the bedroom.
Oh, yes, okay. Right. Hello there. The madame of this disorderly house is arrayed for you in her bedroom. Madame, you got your first customer.
No. I'm Mr. Nichols, and this is Mrs. Nichols.
Oh, nice bit clumpet, yeah. He miss her knickers, and she misses knickers.
Meet you in a moment. Help yourself to a drink.
Thank you.
I think she means us.
Oh, so sorry. You have a double chin.
I beg your pardon?
You have a double chin. You have a double chin?
Oh, double chin.
Yeah. Or you can have vodka with we.
With what?
With we. It's spelled with a we, not with a W.
Darlings, how lovely to see you. It's been ages. Have a drink.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah.
Them.
So sorry. You got another customer.
Not customer.
Client. Another passenger. Punter. Oh, there.
My hat.
Yeah. Very nice, yeah.
No. Take it.
Oh, thank you very much. That's nice, yeah. Too bloody small for me, innit? Wow.
George, Margaret, lovely to see you. I say, I like your dress.
Oh, just a little something I ran out.
You nearly fell off the top.
Drop us something, eh, George?
Wouldn't mind a little drinky poo. How about a spot of Harry's champers?
Dinky Bruddy Poo? Halley breeding shambles? What kind of a pyrrhic is that? What a pronker!
I think I'll have a lager and lime.
Lager and Rhine? Now you mutter me up. I not know which is mutter up. I not know what is vodka. There's no vodka. It's gin. There's a vodka, and ooh, I feel thick.
Ciao! Bring in the Beaujolais.
You what?
Wine for our guests.
Ow!
Bring in the bottle of red wine.
And the butter, now.
I'm so sorry.
You're putting nickels in a twist. What a messy
I've had enough of this, excuse me.
Oh, Robert, you messy you are. Keep still. Right, your wife like a drink, yes?
She's not my wife. I haven't got a wife.
Oh. Who lay for you?
I beg your pardon?
I say, who lay for you? Hip, hip, who lay for you? You a bachelor, like your father.
I'll do that. Oh, thank you.
All right. Good. Get ready, get out of the way, will you?
The agency said they'd send someone round straight away. I'm sorry about this.
Ciao, switch the stove off under the minestrone.
What?
Turn the soup out on the stove.
Okay.
You great oak!
What I do wrong? Bloody hell.
Bring in the duck.
Bloody head and bloody foot and all. Oh, I've got bloody head.
Ciao, take that duck, throw it away, and bring in another one.
But we haven't got other duck. That's the only duck we got.
Just throw that duck away and bring in the other one.
Throw the duck away. I can't find the other one.
Then bring in the canopies. We'll have to make do with the canopies.
What bloody good is a can of peas roll you got there?
Not a can of peas, you idiot! Bring in the canopy!
You want the canopy? I'm bringing the bloody canopy. You want it? There you go.
That's it! That's enough! I want you out of this house now. You are, without doubt, the most stupid, ill-mannered, cack-handed, boorish, disgusting excuse for a human being I have ever encountered.
It is too late to apologize.
What can I say? If that's him back again, I'll murder him.
It's the new man.
Let him in.
Do come in.
That is most contraceptive of you. Constable, oh, yes. Bless my soul, bon femme. What jolly titties we're having. Oh, yes. Queen Elizabeth, very good man. No, 3 cheers for Tottenham hot pants.
That's my bloody case. Oh, look, Gunga Din.
Oh, my bosom friend Chow.
Oh, nice to see you again. Have a drink. You can have Cap Harry.
Not for me.
Okay. Or you can have some wine. We've got a nice wine here. It's a cross between Moselle and Hock.
Oh, what is it called?
Muck.
What is happening here?
Oh, don't take your nuts on them. They all bloody drunk. Oh.